In this course on complex trauma, we'll be exploring ways of working effectively with some of the most challenging cases we may encounter as practitioners. Using the human givens framework of understanding as a starting point, we explore the different areas of distress that now come under the heading of trauma, and how to create a meaningful plan for recovery with the clients that we serve. This is very much a course for practitioners already experienced in working with trauma, and the pool of resources that this brings to the room allows participants not only to benefit from the new insights that the course itself offers, but also to engage in enriching group discussions and exercises with peers. We'll spend time developing a wider contextual framework to set all your trauma work within. We'll look at essential adaptations to existing tools and skill sets that can make work more beneficial, and explore through real-life examples and case studies particular approaches that you can potentially then incorporate into your own work. It's always a fascinating and thought-provoking day, for me as a tutor too, and it would be great to have you join us for it.